In this episode of That Product Makes How Much, I show you guys how I found this potential $50,000 to $75,000 per month product step by step using tools like Jungle Scout and Helium 10 to not only show you guys live how I found the product, but also how I validate these products as well and how you can implement that into your product research. You're not going to want to miss this one. Let's go. Welcome back, guys, and welcome back to another episode of That Product Makes How Much. Hopefully, you guys are having a great day. If you guys are new to this series, welcome. It's basically a complete walkthrough of using product research softwares like Helium 10 and Jungle Scout, as well as ZonGuru, to kind of give you guys a step-by-step walkthrough of how I personally find products to sell, as well as validate products, and hopefully by the end of this video give you guys a free product to launch on your own. As always, as mentioned, if you've been following this series, you have my word that I will be not launching any of these any of these products. So again, this is purely just for you guys, just kind of giving my 2 cents on product research, and hopefully it'll help you guys out as well as keyword research. So hopefully you guys find this content helpful. If you guys do, by the end of the video, definitely consider smashing that like button, because one, I like seeing the like button smashed, and number two, it definitely helps out the YouTube channel and video to help get this video and content out to more people that may be interested. So hopefully you guys find it helpful. Yeah, if this is your first time checking out the Prestige Fam, definitely welcome to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube family. If you guys are new here, my name is Andy. I've been selling on the Amazon platform for a few years now as a private label seller. I'm currently a 7-figure seller, and I've been releasing videos twice a week, and I'll definitely try to keep that up, but at least once a week, so weekly videos just for the Prestige Fam. So definitely consider subscribing. If you're interested in anything Amazon FBA, if you're interested in any of these softwares or a cheat sheet or the Facebook group that I have that's super poppin', and my Instagram page, those are all down below, direct links. Sorry, I don't want to take too much of your time, but if you guys are interested in a free 30-minute coaching call, definitely stay to the end of the video and I'll let you guys know I could be entered into winning that. But let's dive into it. If you guys didn't check out the last video, the last That Product Makes How Much video, I'm basically just starting off where I left off there. Hopefully going to make this video somewhat quick, because in California it's super hot right now for some reason, and in the San Francisco Bay Area we're getting like a heat wave. So I'm just going to shrink myself and move myself somewhere before my self overheats. But yeah, in the last video we were checking out skateboards, and we found potential 50 to 60,000, even $100,000 per month product. So we're just kind of leaving off there. We can kind of scroll up. So these are my normal filters. Again, if you're new to this, this is my normal setup for looking at new products that I'm kind of just open to and keeping a wide mindset for, or just being completely open to, actually. So these are the categories. I don't want to take up too much of your time. You guys can definitely, pause the video here and input these if you guys would like. Of course, you can, select more options if you want. $20 to $200 is my preferred revenue range. Not revenue, preferred price point range. Sometimes I'll go up to, 200, 300, depending on how I'm feeling that day. And then you can play with this. If you want something at least $25, $30, you can do that as well. And then these are the revenues that I set. You can play with all of these filters if you guys want. 1 to 4 reviews. You can do 4.5 or 5. And then just hit search. Again, I've been kind of scrolling, and if you guys want to check out the last video, you can. For all the videos or any video like this, I definitely try to keep things that I already know that aren't going to do well, or things that are super competitive, or things that I can't really personally get into, or that a lot of people beginning can't really get into, like food, or right now like face masks, face shields. I kind of try to avoid those things for the purpose of saving your time and my time. So then I just kind of, if you see me scrolling past a lot of things, that's the reason for it, just to let you guys know. But again, in the last video, kind of went over skateboards and found a good one by diving down further into the rabbit hole and finding another product. Liquid sensor, soap dispensers, no, baby wraps, sauna body shaper sweatsuit Hot neoprene. This is interesting. 27 bucks. Hot neoprene. Sauna body shaper sweat suit. Sauna body shaper. This is interesting. Okay. This is interesting. Let's see. Let's see what the competition is like here. So it looks like everyone has like a few thousand reviews. So let's kind of just keep going. Computer desk, that's kind of big. Let's try to keep that off. Wearable blanket. You can kind of look this up. What is this? Baby wearable blanket. Wearable blanket. Let's look it up. By the way, I'm just copying and pasting. Okay, this isn't it. I'm just copying and pasting what I think is the main keyword, and then if you just want to confirm what the main keyword is, you can go ahead and copy and paste the ASIN. Go over to a tool like Helium 10. Helium 10 offers a tool called Cerebro, which you can do a reverse ASIN search for, and that basically pulls up the relevant keywords that that product is making sales for. So we'll just wait for that to kind of populate, and boom, right? So it comes up based again on organic search rank. So whatever these are searched for, and I like to sort it by search volume. So this is ranked number 5 for Halo Sleep Sack. So I think that's the actual brand name. So it may be generating a lot of traffic from off Amazon. Sleep sacks. It's interesting. Baby sleep sack. I think that was what I was thinking of. So again, it looks like most of these guys are selling something very similar, and it looks like most of them have been selling for a while and have a decent amount of reviews. So we'll just keep going. Let's see. Apparel, chairs, aromatherapy. I looked at this one earlier, actually. I'm not sure. I don't know what the actual keyword search for this is. So again, just copy and paste the ASIN. If you're unsure of what the main keyword is, or you can't have a good guess for it, just run a reverse ASIN search. It's pretty quick. So boom, right? Again, I like to search by search volume, so I don't waste too much time and just try to see, what most of the where most of the searches are coming from. So it looks like it's highly ranked for home decor, clearance, fall decor for home. Let's see. Maybe not, actually. I'm not sure why it did that, but let's look for something that makes more sense. Okay, right here. Right here. Incense stick holder. 50 something thousand. Okay. This one doesn't look too bad, actually. It looks like the bestseller for incense stick holder. Maybe that's not something I would have looked for to find this type of product, but I guess they were pretty smart in ranking for it. So that is interesting. We can go ahead and pull up Helium 10 X-ray and see what the numbers are like. So again, pretty high search volume. This guy's definitely generating traffic from other sources, because most of these other sellers aren't getting nearly as many sales. Let's see where else in Cerebro he's getting sales from. Number two, incense burner. Yeah, so this looks more like it for sure. More similar products, but he was smart in that he was running for incense holder where other people weren't. And these guys are making more sales in comparison. Well, some of them are in comparison to incense holders. Let's see where else. Number 1 for incense waterfall burner. Okay, looks like there's a spike here, kind of in 14 for some reason. Maybe people are getting stressed out. I've been getting super stressed out, but we're keeping it cool. Very similar products here, and it looks like the ASINs are lower. This guy was just smart in that he was able to rank for other keywords. So if it's one of those, if you're relevant for other keywords, like it doesn't hurt to actually rank for other keywords because you're going to be generating a lot more organic traffic and a lot more long-term sales. So it's super important to be able to do this. And the reviews here actually are not super high, and it's not super competitive. Like this guy in this top position has 72 reviews. I'm not sure how much these cost of goods are, but this looks like a potential solid product. So if you're looking at the keyword search volume, if you're able to rank for, that this is pretty general stuff, but let's see, what is this? Intent stick holder, incense holder, candle holder. What is this one? Incense burner. Yeah, dang. Oh, okay. That was a lot faster than I thought too. But yeah, I actually looked at this maybe a few days ago, and I didn't see it having that much potential. But then after looking at the rest of the keywords, this actually looks pretty solid. So let's look at how much, what's the potential on this. So again, this top seller is doing over $200,000 a month in monthly sales, and then this guy right here, maybe the same. Maybe it's the same. Yeah, it's the same seller, but he's also doing like 40,000. But for some reason, he's not pushing this product to be ranked for the other keywords. So scalability, I definitely see huge scalability possible here, just because this one seller is ranking where the others are not, making almost 10,000 sales per month, which is definitely a good, healthy volume. So I'd say this is super solid. I think if you're able to rank properly and get those sales in for, those targeted keywords, you can definitely do, again, I'd say, I don't know. This isn't a hard estimate because usually I like to average the top sellers, but $50,000 to $75,000 per month. If you're able to, make those sales where they need to be made and rank your product for those super important keywords and relevant keywords. Like this guy again was the best seller for I forget one of those main keywords, but where these other sellers were not, and even his other products. So yeah, hopefully you found that video helpful. Let me move my screen here. Hopefully you found that video helpful. Again, another potential $50,000 to $75,000 product. It doesn't look like, it's something that can be easily differentiated, just because it's very design based. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to or be sure to drop them down below. If you guys enjoyed this video and you guys found it helpful, be sure to drop a like. Again, if you guys are interested in checking out Helium 10 or Jungle Scout, check out the direct links down below for discount codes. I think they're like 50% off. That not only saves you guys money, but also sends me some money as well. Not out of your pocket, but out of Helium's 10 or research software pockets. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys find these videos helpful. This is something that I personally was looking for when I was first starting out. So that's exactly why I wanted to create this series. And I think this is episode 9, I believe. 8 or 9, yeah. So again, hopefully you found it helpful. Be sure to subscribe if you do, and if you're interested in more content like this. Again, this channel is based around anything and everything Amazon FBA that I could possibly think of, and I'm constantly trying to think of more things to kind of see what is more helpful for you guys and what is actually helpful for you guys. So hopefully this video and this content is helpful. Again, everything has direct links down below. The Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind, which is a super engaging Facebook group, almost at 1,000 members, very like-minded people. So you guys will find some use there, as well as the Instagram page where I post daily, tips and tricks for Amazon FBA that I think you guys will find helpful too. And then the cheat sheet is down below as well. If you guys are interested in that free 30-minute coaching call, definitely consider liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and commenting #Prestige Amazon FBA, and I select a winner every single video. And I think I mentioned this, but if you have any questions or comments, I'd love to get to them down below. But until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.